And it is a very warm morning. Temperatures are already close to 80 or above 80 degrees in some places. 82 degrees in Naples, 80 at Marco Island, and 80 in Fort Myers. It's just going to get hotter from here. Today we do have heat index values in the triple digits. So by this afternoon, most areas are going to feel like they are at 100 degrees or even a few degrees above that. So make sure you are taking breaks in the shade and drinking plenty of water. Not only is it going to be a hot day, it's pretty humid outside right now. Most areas have dew points in the mid 70s. So when you take that, put it down on the Muggy meter, you know what that means. It's feeling oppressive as you walk out the door. It's just summertime in Florida. Clouds in radar show. We do have a few clouds out there. More will build in as we get through the morning and the afternoon. The good news is Doppler radar is showing that we are dry. Later on this morning, it's not out of the question for some of our coastal communities such as Bokeelia, Sanibel, and Marco Island to see a shower or two. But when you take a look at the predictor, you can see showers are not the only thing we are dealing with. By this afternoon, we will have widespread but scattered thunderstorms. Our chance for thunderstorms today a little less than they were yesterday. That does, though, stick around for the evening commute. So as you're headed home, especially if you live in the inland areas, you will want to keep your umbrella handy. By this evening, we could have a thunderstorm or two again for our inland areas. It does quiet down, though, overnight. The rain does return, though, for Wednesday. Taking a look at your 24-hour forecast, you can see temperatures will start in the 80s. We will warm up not too far from that average high of 92 degrees. And again, by afternoon, early evening hours, watch out for those thunderstorms. You could also see how hot it is going to be by our four-city forecast. 98 in Ochopee, 94 in Murdoch, 93 in Clewiston, and 92 in Fort Myers Beach. Your Ingman Marine boating forecast shows that water is warm, 88 degrees. However, we do have offshore seas at 2 feet or less, and inland waters, there is a light chop. But the thing I really want you to pay attention to is our UV index. It's extreme, so make sure you are keeping not only the water handy, but also the SPF. Tropics are quiet for us here in southwest Florida, but in the Pacific, we do have a hurricane. This is Hurricane Barbara. We were talking about this yesterday as a tropical storm that now has been bumped up to a hurricane, keeping our eye on that one. 7-day forecast, again, going to see a high near 93 degrees. Again, a chance for those afternoon and early evening showers. That's the same for Wednesday and also for the 4th of July. However, the 4th of July, we won't see as much rain. So really, your 4th of July is going to look fantastic. Just a few showers here and there. As we get closer to the weekend, our rain chances do bump up just a little bit. So do keep that in mind as you start to plan your Saturday and Sunday.